name is Charvi Gunda, and my app is called Cybersecurity. I'm an 11th grader in high school, and I wanted to learn about the need of cybersecurity skills because there's a lot of threats online, and these can impact others in a very harmful way. And anything learned on the internet goes a really long way because you encounter them every single day with on your phone to on your laptop. And the part of the knowledge is very crucial nowadays. My problem statement would be many individuals are not actively engaged with technology news and are often caught behind on cybercrimes. This causes many people to be caught behind on how to stay safe online. And this is a big challenge because my relatives around the world always keep falling for these online scams and are on these unsecure websites and apps. And it's a crucial problem these days because everything is online now. And 1 in 4 people since 2021 have reported to have fallen for a scam, and that's around 25%. And that's a lot of money laundered, a lot of scams downloaded, a lot of harmful devices that are become harmful now, which is really crucial to today's world. And this is why I created CyberSafe. So what is CyberSafe? My app is an education app and teaches people about technology from like 10 plus topics to stay safe online. And from topics on like creating strong passwords to understanding how cloud works, it's all on there. And my 3 main features that help me stand out would be my information. It's information crafted by me. So I'm not just going on Google and just getting random information, but it's carefully crafted in the way anyone can understand it. We have introduction, tips, and key takeaways for your quick use. And there's quizzes on each topic, and there's topics on beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So it's for anyone and all levels. And the languages I used was Node.js and React Native. And to make my APIs, because I have a lot of data, and I keep my data on my VS Code and my actual project can make my data really heavy. So I use my APIs and I utilize GitHub to host them. I also use Expo and Expo Snacks to host the app in VS Code and online. I chose these because it's easiest and compatible with app development. Challenges I faced were not too many, but the first one I had was making the work for each of the quiz screens because there's there's 4 screens per each quiz, and there's around like 16 topics. So if you do the math, it's a lot of screens, and plus I have all the information screens. So making the code for all these screens took a long time because if I made one error, all the screens are gone. Next was my API integration. Getting my API on it took a long time because I had to pass it through different screens, and also having to run the app on VS Code because on Expo Snacks, my thing got corrupted and I couldn't save it. So I had to like redo my project for a bit, and it was a really big challenge. But how did I overcome it? So I had to migrate the product to VS Code and on a lower version of Expo Snack. So I had to manually add all the files and get it to work. And I had to add screens repeatedly because I copied and pasted all that stuff and like changed the data because it was taking way too long for me to type everything. My mentor also was a key component in enabling me to effectively debug every error and making sure my project was working well. My future plans. So I hope to introduce a backend to the app to make the app more interactive and the ability to save data on accounts like login screens, so I can have this app on all all devices, and also able to educate on more topics. And as well as add a recent news tab to learn about all the current news in the site.